Have you ever marveled at the intricate designs found in nature? From the delicate wings of a butterfly to the towering strength of a giant redwood, nature offers a wealth of wonders. Biomimicry, a fascinating field of study, recognizes nature's genius. It seeks to emulate these natural designs to solve human problems. In essence, biomimicry is innovation inspired by nature. It's about looking to the natural world for solutions that have been honed by evolution over millions of years. By studying how animals, plants, and ecosystems function, we can unlock a treasure trove of sustainable and efficient designs. Biomimicry reminds us that nature is the ultimate teacher. By observing and learning from the natural world, we can create technologies and solutions that are both effective and harmonious with our planet. For billions of years, nature has been conducting countless experiments in design and engineering. Through the relentless process of natural selection, only the most effective and resilient solutions have survived. This vast library of natural solutions is a testament to nature's prowess as an innovator. Take, for example, the humble spider web. This intricate structure, spun from silk threads, is a marvel of engineering. It's strong enough to withstand the impact of flying insects, yet lightweight and flexible enough to move with the wind. Scientists and engineers are now studying spider silk to develop new materials with exceptional strength and resilience. From the aerodynamic wings of birds to the energy-efficient photosynthesis of plants, nature offers a wealth of inspiration. By tapping into this vast wellspring of knowledge, we can unlock groundbreaking solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. The principles of biomimicry are already being applied in various fields, leading to remarkable innovations. One iconic example is Velcro, inspired by the tiny hooks found on burrs. These hooks easily attach to fabrics and fur, providing a secure grip. Another notable example is the design of Japan's high-speed bullet trains. Engineers drew inspiration from the streamlined beak of the kingfisher bird. This design minimizes air resistance, allowing the train to achieve incredible speeds while remaining remarkably quiet. Nature's ingenuity extends to self-cleaning surfaces. The lotus leaf, known for its remarkable water repellency, inspired the development of self-cleaning paints and fabrics. The microscopic bumps on the leaf's surface prevent water droplets from adhering, causing them to roll off and carry away dirt particles. As we grapple with the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, biomimicry offers a path towards a more sustainable future. By emulating nature's designs, we can create technologies and systems that are inherently efficient, resilient, and in harmony with the environment. Nature's designs are often inherently sustainable, relying on renewable resources and minimizing waste. By adopting these principles, we can reduce our ecological footprint and create a more harmonious relationship with our planet. Biomimicry encourages us to view nature not just as a resource to exploit, but as a mentor to learn from. By embracing nature's wisdom, we can pave the way for a future where human ingenuity and the natural world coexist in harmony.